Today I'm going to show you how to crop audio in Audacity the right way, because in Audacity, cropping is actually called trim. That means instead of just cutting a section out like you might expect, trim deletes everything outside of your selection and leaves only the part you highlighted. It's a super useful feature when you want to keep just one clean section of audio and remove the rest fast. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Audacity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to edit. Once your track is visible on the timeline, decide which part of the audio you want to keep. This is the most important step because trim will remove everything except the part you select, so take your time and listen through if you need to. Now click and drag your mouse across the section of audio you want to keep. You'll see it highlighted on the track. Make sure the selection starts and ends exactly where you want, because everything outside of this highlighted area is going to be deleted. If you need to be more precise, you can zoom in a little to make your selection cleaner and more accurate. After you've highlighted the part you want to keep, go up to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From there, hover over Remove Special. In that submenu, select Trim Audio. Once you click it, Audacity will instantly crop the track down to only the selected section. And that's really it. Your audio is now cropped in Audacity and only the highlighted portion remains. This is a very fast way to isolate a clip, remove unwanted intro or outro sections, or keep only the clean part of a recording. Now here's an important tip. If you accidentally deleted too much, don't panic. Just click Edit and then Undo immediately, and Audacity will restore the outer sections. That makes it easy to fix mistakes as long as you act quickly. So if something doesn't look right, use Undo before doing anything else. Once you get used to this, cropping audio in Audacity becomes very simple. Just select the section you want to keep, go to Edit, choose Remove Special, and then click Trim Audio. It's a quick workflow that can save you a lot of editing time. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next Audacity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.